We're in Medford, Oregon at Nightmares on the Road. Nightmares on the Road haunted attraction has 3 attractions plus a midway with characters, food, and vendors. Tonight we're taking you through all the attractions here at Nightmares on the Road. I'm only going to show you highlights of everything. So for the Haunted Attraction Network, I'm Philip, and we're here live at Nightmares on the Road in Medford, Oregon.
I have worked this facility my entire career, and because of this government shutdown, I am now your tour guide. Hold this for the general. Thank you. 2 hands. Hold it like you love it. Would y'all like to find out the real reason you're here tonight? May I have my grenade? Thank you. Whoops. Let's go. Go find my doctor now. Go find her. Just because you're last doesn't mean you're safe.
Oh, welcome in, my friends. I am Dr. Pendensky. Can I show you what I've been working on? It is amazing. Have any of you seen Ethereum before? Truly is a marvelous substance. Though I shouldn't take all of the credit. Those who live amongst the stars, they are truly the ones to thank. You are believers, yes? Oh, lovely. Gather round. Only takes a moment before the results tend to kick in. Everybody quiet. This is a highly delicate procedure. I assure you everything's going to be alright. Calm now, my friend. Everything is just fine. Easy. How are you doing, dear? Everything's alright. Proceed right now.
Send you. First the wells dried up, then the poison.
They took my mama from me! They're real! They're all real! The aliens are real! I'm not crazy! What are you doing here? What are any of you doing here? You can't be here. You can't. There's exposed alien materials in this room. You need to get out. You need to keep moving forward.
What are you guys doing here? This place is not safe.
They lied to you. You're not here because I'm stupid, Crystal. You're here for a different reason. You're here because I stole it. Their baby. Now run. Save yourself, please. Run! Hello, my name is Milo. I'm your elevator operator. I'll be taking y'all down to the tourism floor. That sounds about right, all right? Thank you. Help me! I can't fix it! Through there, watch heads don't die, please.
Please! Help me! This place is gone! This place is cursed! The devil takes everyone! No one is safe! Trust the scientists! They're the bad ones!
He's gonna turn you all into rats! Oh, you make a perfect experiment. A little elongation of spine, break a few bones, and fix a few missing parts. But you'll turn out perfect! Right!
Are you ready for our first act? I'm really excited about this one. Let me share it with you.
You wanna play a game? I promise I don't bite. Oh, don't you wanna stay? Come on, stay!
blades of horse come on through. One of you go this way, the other come this way. Now follow that light. Hey, bozo!